Subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for never miss another update.
So the purpose of the DevSecOps is the building the product, application and software with the mindset of everyone is responsible for the security. So let's try to understand why the DevSecOps. So the single and the core reason of the DevSecOps is the security. So basically when the DevOps works, so it will works the functional functions of the deploying the application the very smooth manner with intent to the development and operation goes to the smooth and with the best integration of the agile. So in this case the security has been works as a um, third party person. So when you are designing your product, when you are working on product, you have to keep in mind the uh, security angle. So you can work for the security, you can design, you can give the input in a security. The second one is you have to uh, think about and you have to use the security related tools API which will use in your product to ensure the future security related patches updated properly. So basically the it will create a problem. Example, um, in case of your Apache server is running and in future your application having the vulnerability of Apache server, so the tool will identify the vulnerabilities and will update the Apaches. So you have to think about the think about your application which pro uses, and in this pro uses where will the security concerns and how to this uh, avoid and how to solve these security concerns. So the next one is the benefits of the DevSecOps. So more automation from the start reduce the chance of the misadministrations and mistake which often leads to the downtime or attack. This automation also reduce the need of security architecture to manual configure security console. So basically the benefits of you should not require the manually security consoles. The all security related um, architecture will be part of the implementation, but the part of the development life cycle will reduce the effort of the securities at the end of your development model, and this works is the implementation time. So basically in this reduce your downtime and this reduce your future attacks. So we will learn the details about how DevSecOps works, how the details about the DevSecOps, the different things. So in this space, we'll continue work on DevSecOps. So thank you for watching this video. Please like, share, subscribe, and don't forget to click on bell icon for next upcoming videos. Thank you.